Double dotted vertical lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So now you can see this black color candlestick where I am placing the cursor. You can see the date below. So if you are a continuous follower, you know that right from the beginning of this week, that is on Monday, we are expecting copper to continue and maintain its uptrend, and we had explained clearly why we are taking this 448 and 446 as a major support zone. So you can see that on 18th the price opened higher, but you can see after a breakdown around 452 the market broke this support and entered into the key zone. And now if you see on the previous week, this is the previous week price actions, you can see the date below. The market didn't came down below 448. You can see so many times it came down, tested, and it gave a bounce back. So on the 18th, that was on Tuesday, the price came down and took the support near 448, and you can see the market just bounced back. After breaking this 452, again it gathered momentum, and you can see it was a total recovery and the price closed higher. The next day, that is yesterday, since we had only the evening session, the price opening was a spiked up price opening, which means that after the price opening you would have seen the price staying somewhere around 458. So there is no doubt about that. The price maintained and went with our expectation. So you can see that after the price opening, the market just came down and tested this 456. We had marked this as an intermediate support. After taking some support, you can see the price went up and it closed around 457.95, maybe around 458 we can consider that. So there is no, on seeing the price action, there is no doubt that the market went with the trend. So that is why we explained we took the proper zone and it was well supported. Now you can see, if you are following our presentations continuously, you can see we had drawn this trend line a few weeks before. Now you can see that how the price is coming and matching this trend line and how it is going in line with the trend line. So that is always the importance of drawing the trend line. It will help us to identify the trend. So the trend line, so we have two lines, one is the horizontal line and is the sliding line. So that is a sloping line, which is called the trend line. Both are called support and resistance. Trend line is also called as also considered as a support and resistance. So trend line and the support and resistance, these are the leading indicators we have. Whatever indicators we are seeing in our technical tools, these are lagging indicators. Only after the price closes, this gives us an indication. So you can now see that it is well in line with the average also. Now what we are going to do for today. Today the price is expected to open around 456. This may be subjected to changes just because of the rupee value, but till the price breaks 448, we expected the market to continue and maintain its uptrend. So these are the support zones which you can expect, where you can expect some buying: 456, 452 and 448. These are the support zones. But a word of caution for traders, so many times we had said this, as a trader we always go with our target, we don't go with the market targets. We have our individual target which we need to achieve based upon the return on investment for an year, or if you have that for quarterly, monthly, it is up to your trading decisions and plans and strategies. So if you have reached your target for this, if you had made some profit, let us just slow down a bit, because the market is taking some resistance around 462 and these zones. Let us wait for the market to come down near the average, and then it is fine to good your position. So that is how we trade, and that is our method of trading. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. As usual, today also we expect, unless until it puts something below 448, a closing below 448, we don't expect the market to reverse its trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And the target zones, you may know it, 462 can act as a potential barrier. So let us see. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.